ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about household chores. Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Mop the floor.
Mop the floor.
Vacuum the carpet.
Vacuum the carpet.
Wash the windows.
Wash the windows.
Wash the clothes.
Wash the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
Cook the meals.
Cook the meals.
Take out the trash.
Take out the trash.
Water the plants.
Water the plants.
Make the bed.
Make the bed.
Set the table.
Set the table.
Dust the furniture.
Dust the furniture.
Hang out the clothes.
Hang out the clothes.
Fold the clothes.
Fold the clothes.
Do the shopping.
Do the shopping.
Wash the car.
Wash the car.
Clean the toilet.
Clean the toilet.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.